Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share this little junk journal with you. This is a journal that I made for a swap with Michelle. I'll put her YouTube channel in the description box below, so you can go and show her some love. We decided to make a steampunk swap some time back. We decided that it would be chilled out, like no stress on the date and all, so it took forever. I'm so sorry, Michelle. Well, I'm so happy to have this swap with you. We've been exchanging for some time on our craft, and she's also in my design team. She does she does things with my kids and all that. So thanks for everything, Michelle, and I really appreciate you. And I hope this journal will I hope you will like this journal. I've put a lot of love and all in making it. I hadn't done a steampunk journal in a while, and I really enjoyed this, and I loved it. And it actually inspired me to create a whole steampunk kit, or rather Afropunk kit, on the Afrocella theme. Yeah. So basically, I have made a charm for this journal. So let me just first show you the charm. It has plenty of gears. I have put them in some clear resin. Here, two of them. Here's this little bobby pin, a few things, and here I made a little charm with that, a little tassel. Sorry, I was out of frame. And some paper beads that I have made and added to this little charm. So the journal measures 6 by 4 inches. The cover is the usual. I usually glue all my items, and then I worked my patinas and paints over them. I have entitled it Hope. And yeah, so that's a B. And those 3 gears I have added after painting everything, so they could remain in their original color. On the side I've added a sword that I had. It's a resin shape as well. And here there's a baby fly. I mean, not a baby fly, a fly. And yeah, book corners. There's no closure because it's chunky, and there's a lot of tags in this, Michelle. So if you want to remove some of them, it will reduce the chunkiness. Otherwise, it's all big and yummy. Let's go inside. So here on the first page, you have a little pocket that says resilience, and then you have this little tag that gives facts about the journal. I do that on all my journals now. And another tag that's plain. And then this is the kit that I have designed for specifically for this journal, but now it's available on my Etsy store, and it features Black women and steampunk theme. I thought that was missing, so I created it. So yeah, the colors are browns and blues. I've put blues as well. Use this this is a spellbinder die from many years ago. I've also embossed these pieces of papers. I really love the effect of that clock embossing folder. So let's go through the journal. Basically coffee dyed papers, coffee dyed lined papers. I used also a paper pad, not a lot of the pages from that pad, but a few of them. And I don't have it here, so I can't show you the cover, but here a pocket with 2 tags. Here, this is a glassine bag on which I have printed some pages of my kit, of my digital kit, and yeah, it looks really pretty. I've added some washi tape on some pages, here, tuck spot, some book pages, statistic book that I've used here, little pocket with a tag in there. That's part of the digital kit. And that too. Here, I've used this little envelope that serves as a tuck spot as well, and the envelope's empty, and I put a little Velcro dot here to close it. Nice little butterfly here. Yeah, I know it's steampunk, but I do love butterflies, and I think they fit in any type of journals. So yeah, and that's the journal here. This is the middle of the first signature. On each in the middle of each signature, you will have one of these that is hiding the binding, and here is a little booklet that I have added to each envelope. Here a little notepad on which a little note paper on which I have added this this girl on print. I've printed it on it here. So some spots have been left empty because the journal is already so packed that I didn't want to add more bulk to it. I have set aside whatever was left into a little kit that I will be adding to the package. I will be filming a pack with me video, and that will be available on my TikTok account. I like to do these. They're short and just music videos, and they're also on the Instagram format, which is a portrait instead of YouTube landscape format. So that's different. So some vellum, not vellum or tracing paper that has been printed on. It's beautiful. Bought it this way. So a very simple journal, but conceived to be written on, to be used basically. So I really hope that you will enjoy using this small little journal. Here I made this tag as a tuck spot, stitched on it, and made this little girl. Really love that die. So yeah, I hope you will use it, write on it, glue things on it, and yeah, enjoy it for maybe a year, maybe less, maybe more. I don't know how you use your journals. Yeah, that's a book page on which I have, it's a dictionary page actually, on which I have printed this lady. Here, another glassine bag on which I have printed and put a tag in there. That's part of the kit. And so are these. So we're heading towards the end. This is the last signature. Here I've added one of my stickers. This is also available in my Etsy store. It's Black women stickers. This one is a transparent one. That's why it's not really showing well, because it's a transparent sticker. So more of the glassine bags with those beautiful black ladies images. Another one that's from the kit, both of these. Here's another sticker. It's a transparent one as well. That's I think that's also available in my store. I'll put the links anyway in the description box below of whatever is available. If it's not yet there, it will be eventually. So yeah, I've made a set of stickers that goes with the digital kit. And yeah, so yeah, I spent as much time doing the digital and more stickers. So this is a glassine bag on which I have printed this, and this is another sticker, part of the sticker kit, transparent as well. So another little collage, and that's the last envelope with a little booklet in there. And yeah, So that's my cute little journal for you, Michelle. Now I hope that you will get it soon enough, because I know that International Post have been misbehaving since this pandemic and all. So I'm really praying that it doesn't misbehave on that one. So here, that's the last page. I've added my sign and a handmade sign, a leather piece, and more tags in the little pocket. So that's it for the journal. Like I said, I have gathered a lot of little things to go with the journal. Like here, I made this pocket. It's full of little things to go with your journal, and here too. And this will all be attached to this journal, as well as a few other things that I will add when I do the pack with me video. So I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting. Bye.